Thermal Research and Development today, and we're going to do the install of the new catback exhaust system for the 2019 and newer Ford Ranger. Stock exhaust system off. The first part we're going to put in is the A pipe. Has the flex joint in it and the hanger. Remember, the hanger is coming towards the center of the car. We're going to reuse the factory rubber mount and slide it over that hanger the way it came off. We're going to take the 2.5-inch band clamp and we're going to slide it over the front neck. Now we want the hardware inbound and the nut facing down for ease of installation. Take a rubber mallet, lightly tap it into place. Slip connection in place. We want to make sure that this hanger rod is parallel with the ground. Reusing the OE hanger, making sure the alignment probe is in the hole. Put the 8mm bolt back in place, 13mm socket. Snug it up. Over tighten it and snap it. And now come up to the 2.5-inch band clamp. I'm going to turn it sideways with the nut facing straight down and pulled all the way forward to the front of the pipe. Tighten that down now so there's no movement. We'll come back at the very end and re-hit it. Okay, the next pipe in series we're going to install is this mid pipe with a slight S. The S goes at the back, going straight up. I'm going to use this 3-inch double compression clamp. And to start off, we're going to give ourselves a witness mark at 1 3/4 inches. Just with a black marker. We're going to slide that well up past that, the hardware inbound and facing down. We'll slide this pipe in place, bring that back to the witness mark, support the unit. We're going to snug it up, but not overdo it, because most likely we're going to come back and adjust this part. Pulling the pipes together in the middle. The muffler is really going to set the elevation for that pipe, but we're going to start right there. Next part we're going to install is the muffler. It's a 2-chambered, straight through 3-inch muffler. First chamber is hem holds to remove the drone at cruise, and the second is a sound absorbing section to remove the rasp out of the system. So we're going to give another 1 3/4 inch witness mark. I'm going to slide the clamp into place. Again, hardware inbound and nuts facing down. Lubricate our factory original hangers. On the front hanger, the rod probe goes through horizontal with the ground. The rear one does set at an angle. And that'll be obvious as you're installing it. pull the muffler forward. You want the hangers to actually angle forward. So when the exhaust system heats up and expands, it has room to grow backwards. Lining up the clamp with the witness mark. Snug that up at this point. We're now ready to install the rear tip. Thermal offers 5 different tip options. We're going to be putting in the dual ceramic coated tip. I'm going to support this tip at the proper height. We're at least an inch from the body panel at its lowest position. Snug that up, pull around, get the tip exactly where you want it. Tightening it. At this point, we're going to start from the front, working back, checking all of our connections to make sure they're tight. We'll be ready to give it a drive.